How's it going today, everyone? My name is George, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube playlist. Now you can use the playlist for anything from music for the gym to maybe saving some videos that you'd like to watch later. Whatever you want to use it for, I'm going to show you how to make a playlist. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to sign in. It'll be right over here in the top right of the screen. You'll see a little sign in button. I'm already signed in. It's very important that you do sign in, or else your videos won't save. Your playlist won't be saved unless you sign in. So you can sign in with your email address. So after you sign in and remember your information, the first step you're going to want to do is go to the search bar right up in the top of the screen and click, and then let's make a playlist today for the gym. So we'll search some videos that we want to listen to at the gym. So let's start with, I like to listen to rock when I'm at the gym. So you find your video. The first thing you're going to do is click on it. Once you've clicked on the video, I'll pause it. You determined that this is in fact the one that you want to add to your playlist. You can go right down here below the video by where the views, the likes, the dislikes, the share, and you see this little plus button right here, right next to save. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on that, and it'll bring up this option. See, I already have some playlist created there, but what you're going to want to do is hit create new playlist, and then it's going to ask you to enter a playlist name. So we're making a gym playlist, so why don't we call it gym? And then you can decide if you want it to be public or private. Let's make it private. This is for us. It's our gym playlist. So then you hit create. So now, as you can see right down here, we've added one song to our playlist. So you can repeat the steps just by going back up. We'll click another band, scroll down, find a song you like, click on it, pause the ad, and then right down here again, you see the little plus sign with the save sign. You click on it, and then boom, right there. The playlist is right there, so now we have a quick ad. All we do is click it, it adds it, and then we can just repeat this step to add more videos to the playlist. Always gotta have Eye the Tiger at the gym. So then now that we have the one way to add videos to the playlist, if you want to speed the process up without clicking on the video, if you already know that this is the exact video you want to add, if you go right over to the right of the name of the video, you'll see these three dots hanging down. So what you'll do is you click on the three dots and you can add it to a playlist. Same thing, it'll bring up your options. You just hit the one you want to add it to, gym, and there we go. Okay, so now that we've added about 3 songs to our video, I'll show you how to find your playlist. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the top left of the screen. You'll see these 3 little bars hanging down. You're going to click on the bars and you can go to history. Sometimes your playlist will pop up here, like I have a formerly created one that I used for guitar right over there. But if you want to find your newest one, you can go to your library. The library is going to bring you here. You scroll down. You'll see playlists. There's 4 created playlists from me. Here's the one we just created, gym. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to hit view full playlist. So now that we're in here, you can see the 3 songs that we just added to our playlist. And if we want to change the order that the songs play, you go right over here to the left side of the song. You'll see 2 little bars. And you can drag them by clicking and moving them in whatever order you like. So now that we've got the order that we want, we can go ahead and play our videos.
If you shop on Amazon, you should use Wikibuy. It's a browser extension that automatically compares
So skip this ad. Now that the videos are playing, if you just want them to play randomly or repeat, you can click on these 2 buttons here. The one on the right with the cross will shuffle your playlist. The one on the left will loop it, so your videos will just repeat. And there you have it. So thanks for watching my video, guys.